The Umananda Temple is a historic 17th century shrine dedicated to Lord Shiva, located right in the middle of the Brahmaputra River in Guwahati, Assam. To visit the temple, you must take a short, scenic ferry ride across the Brahmaputra River, which takes about 15 to 20 minutes. It is the world's smallest inhabited river island. During the colonial era, it was also called Peacock Island. British officers exploring the river thought the island's natural structure and contour closely resembled the splayed feathers of a dancing peacock, leading them to coin the name. The mountain on which the temple has been built is known as Bhasmacala. It was initially constructed in 1694 during the Ahom dynasty by King Gadadhar Singha. Visitors need to climb a flight of steep stone steps to reach the main shrine. After being heavily damaged by an earthquake in 1897, the temple was later rebuilt by wealthy local merchants. According to Hindu beliefs, when Lord Shiva was in meditation on this hillock, Kamadeva interrupted his yoga, and was therefore burnt to ashes by the fire of Shiva's anger. Since then, the hillock got the name Bhasmacala.